Welcome to the channel, and we're about to dive into some seriously mind-blowing stuff. I'm talking about artificial intelligence, AI, and how it's coming for your job. That's right, those robots aren't just taking over sci-fi movies anymore. They're about to take over the workforce. We're talking about millions of jobs being replaced by robots and algorithms that can do your job faster, cheaper, and honestly probably better than you can. Scary, right? But don't worry, this video isn't just about freaking you out, well, maybe a little. It's about giving you the knowledge to stay ahead of the game. I'm about to expose the 10 most dangerous AI tools that are already replacing humans right now. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's do this. First up, we've got a heavyweight contender in the AI ring, ChatGPT. Imagine this, you're a writer, cranking out articles, blog posts, maybe even a spicy romance novel or two. You think you're pretty good with words, right? Well, ChatGPT is like that annoyingly talented kid in school who finishes every test in 5 minutes and still gets an A+. Except ChatGPT is a robot, and it's coming for your job. I'm talking about writing entire articles in seconds, generating marketing copy that would make Don Draper jealous, even spitting out full-blown novels like it's nothing. And the worst part? It costs pennies compared to hiring a human writer. Companies are catching on fast. And let me tell you, the results are brutal. So yeah, if you're a writer, blogger, or anyone who makes a living from the written word, it's time to get real with yourself. Okay, so maybe you're thinking, well, I'm not a writer, so ChatGPT can't hurt me, right? Wrong. Meet Midjourney, the AI Picasso that's here to steal the jobs of graphic designers, illustrators, and anyone who thought they could hide behind a digital canvas. Remember when you needed to pay a designer thousands of dollars for a logo, or spend hours learning Photoshop? Yeah, those days are over. Midjourney can whip up professional-looking logos, stunning illustrations, even mind-blowing movie posters in the time it takes you to microwave a burrito. And it's not just about speed. Midjourney is like having the imagination of 1,000 artists crammed into one AI brain. So to all the artists, designers, and doodlers out there, listen up. The future is here, and it's brought its digital paintbrush. Alright, we've covered writers and artists, but what about those charismatic faces we see on our screens every day? You know, the YouTubers, the news anchors, the corporate trainers with their perfectly rehearsed smiles. Well, get ready to say goodbye because Synthesia is here to usher in the era of the AI presenter. Imagine this. You need a spokesperson for your company, someone who can speak multiple languages flawlessly, never gets tired, and costs 99% less than a human presenter. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's Synthesia for you. This mind-blowing AI tool allows you to create realistic-looking avatars that can deliver your message with the charisma of a seasoned TV host. Need a video in Spanish, Mandarin, or even Klingon? No problem, Synthesia's got you covered. The age of the AI presenter is upon us, and it's more convincing than ever. Chapter 4. Deep Graham, can you hear me now? Humans can't. So, we've seen AI conquer writing, art, and even video. But what about the spoken word? Surely humans still reign supreme in the realm of audio, right? Wrong again. Meet DeepGram, the AI that hears it all, transcribes it perfectly, and is about to put transcribers, court reporters, and even medical scribes out of business. Think about it. How many hours are wasted every day transcribing meetings, lectures, interviews? It's a tedious, time-consuming task that nobody wants to do. But DeepGram doesn't complain. It just listens, analyzes, and spits out a perfect transcript in seconds, with an accuracy rate that would make even the most experienced human transcriber weep. So, to all the transcribers, court reporters, and anyone who makes a living from listening, it's time to face the music. The AI revolution has arrived in the world of audio, and it's listening intently. Chapter 5. AutoGPT, your new AI Overlord. Okay, we've seen AI tackle creative jobs and even the world of audio, but what about customer service? Surely humans still have the edge when it comes to empathy, patience, and dealing with angry customers, right? Think again. AutoGPT is here to take your complaints, answer your questions, and usher in the era of the AI-powered call center. Imagine calling your bank and instead of being put on hold for hours, you're instantly connected to a friendly, helpful AI assistant who knows your account history, understands your problem, and can solve it in seconds. So, to all the call center workers, customer service reps, and anyone who spends their days dealing with the public, the writing is on the wall. The AI revolution is coming for your headsets. Chapter 6, Codex, Coding Without the Humans. Alright, we've seen AI take on a lot of jobs so far, but surely coding is safe, right? It's a complex, technical field that requires years of training and experience. Well, prepare to have your mind blown because Codex is here to turn the world of programming upside down. Imagine a world where you can simply describe the software you want to build, and an AI can generate the code for you, instantly. No more late nights hunched over a keyboard, no more debugging cryptic error messages. That's the promise of Codex. This AI coding wizard is like having a team of expert programmers at your fingertips, ready to turn your ideas into reality. So, to all the coders, programmers, and tech wizards out there, the future is here, and it's written in AI-generated code. Chapter 7. Book AI, The Rise of the Robot Novelist. We've seen AI conquer writing, but what about the world of novels, where creativity and storytelling reign supreme? Surely human authors have nothing to fear from AI, right? Wrong. Book AI is here to shake up the publishing industry and unleash a tidal wave of robot-written novels. Imagine a world where you can feed an AI a few plot points, character descriptions, and a sprinkle of your favorite genre tropes, and it spits out a fully fledged novel, ready to be devoured by eager readers. That's the power of Book AI. This AI storytelling machine is like having a ghostwriter on steroids, capable of churning out page-turning thrillers, heart-wrenching romances, and epic fantasies at a pace that would make even the most prolific human author jealous. The results are already being felt in the publishing industry. So to all the novelists, ghostwriters, and storytellers out there, the future of writing is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Chapter 8. Tome, Death by PowerPoint by AI. We've seen AI tackle creative jobs, but what about the dreaded world of presentations? Surely humans still have the edge when it comes to crafting compelling slides and delivering engaging presentations, right? Think again. Tome is here to revolutionize the way we present information and make PowerPoint a thing of the past. Imagine a world where you can simply tell an AI the key points you want to convey, and it generates a visually stunning, interactive presentation, complete with images, data visualizations, and even animations. No more spending hours fiddling with fonts, layouts, and transitions. That's the magic of Tome. So to all the PowerPoint wizards, keynote gurus, and anyone who's ever dreaded creating a presentation, the future is here, and it's powered by AI-driven storytelling. Chapter 9. Runway Editing Videos at Warp Speed. We've seen AI conquer writing, art, and even presentations, but what about the world of video editing, where technical skills and creative vision collide? Surely human video editors are safe from the AI revolution, right? Wrong. Runway is here to reshape the video editing landscape and put the power of Hollywood-level post-production in the hands of everyone. Imagine a world where you can edit videos, add special effects, and even generate entire scenes from text prompts, all with the help of AI. No more spending hours scrubbing through footage, painstakingly cutting and splicing clips together. That's the power of Runway. So to all the video editors, motion graphics artists, and aspiring filmmakers out there, the future of video editing is here, and it's powered by the magic of AI. Chapter 10, Figure 01. Robots are coming for your jobs and your lunch money. We've seen AI take over creative jobs, customer service, even coding. But surely physical labor is safe, right? Robots can't possibly replace humans in the real world, can they? Think again. Figure 01 and its AI-powered robot army are here to automate the physical world and change the face of labor as we know it. Imagine a world where robots stock shelves in supermarkets, flip burgers in fast food restaurants, and assemble products in factories, all without taking breaks, demanding raises, or complaining about working conditions. That's the future that Figure 01 is building. These AI-powered robots are designed to perform a wide range of physical tasks, from the mundane to the complex. So to all the warehouse workers, fast food employees, and anyone who makes a living from physical labor, the future is here, and it's automated, efficient, and powered by AI. Outrow the AI revolution, survive or get replaced. Wow, that was a lot to take in, right? We just went through 10 AI tools that are already changing the game and coming for our jobs. So, what do? Curl up in a ball and accept our robot overlords? Heck no. We adapt, we evolve, we become even more awesome. Learn about this AI stuff. Don't be afraid of it, master it. The future is here and it's going to be wild. But it's up to us to decide if we're going to be riding the wave or getting swept away. So hit that like button if you're ready to join the AI revolution, subscribe for more mind-blowing content, and let me know in the comments what you think the safest job from AI is. Let's do this.